and welcome to KUNOMAIL, your email client. In our new short video tutorial, I want to show you some new things we have implemented in our KUNOMAIL-Connect tool. What is new? You have here now public chat groups in KUNOMAIL-Connect, and on the other side here on this tab we have questions and answers. And I want to explain you the different contents between these two things here. First, we have the chat groups, and that means these are public chats, and you can enable, then it's green, or disable the group. Standard is all groups are disabled. And if you have some questions, some general questions, for example, you just enable this group. Then the message will be shown. The last 10 messages will be shown here in this chat. Okay, it's a live chat. So if here are some people and I have general questions. I've just made a test here. Hi, how's the weather in Berlin? Good, 25 degrees. Um, um, and just write back and question, send it, and now I can go to my test laptop and say just OK. Then it's in time. Okay, you can chat here. You can chat with other KUNOMAILers. You can ask if they're online. Oh, here I have a little problem, or oh, here I have a new letter, and so on. And you can ask here in the categories for email account problems, for questions to the installation, and so on. Activation and licenses. You just have to activate the channel, and you can ask someone if there's someone online. You can ask this one. Okay. The next tab here is question and answers. Question and answers will be permanently saved. So if here are some new messages in this channels. At the moment, there are no messages, but if you write here something in this channel, it will be saved. It's saved on our server. So it's very important. We told you in our last video that in KUNOMAIL we don't save any messages on the server. It's still right for the direct conversation. If you have here your local contacts and you chat with your contacts, it stays local. There's nothing is saved on the server. But this here with the groups, we have to save some messages because, for example, if there are 100 persons online and everyone writes something, it's very complicated to to manage this technically. That no message then is saved on the server, and we have tried, and it's too complicated. And that's why we say, okay, we save the last 10 messages in the live chats on the server, then it will be completely deleted. And in questions and answers, here it's permanently saved because here are some informations for you, and you can just write your question in maybe here active chat channel. It's activation and license. Just ask your question, and you come back later to the you come back later 2 days, and then you can have a look here in this category, and you get your hopefully your answer to your question. Okay, so this is permanently, and this is just a live group, and you can have a look if someone else is here or not. The management for this is you go to here your contacts, and here under the tab KUNOMAIL-Connect, you have here now manage settings, the view public groups and question and answers. So just click this one, then it will be shown in KUNOMAIL-Connect here. If you unselect this one, it wouldn't be shown. It wouldn't be shown. And here the next is show online contacts at the top position. That means here if the one is online, it will be shown on the top. And I can show it you live. And if I go offline with my other laptop, then it's offline. And as you can see here, it's not on the top, it's alphabetically. And now I go online and it's on the top. Okay, that is what it means. And also you have under managed settings here the possibility to click on the public groups for German and English. So the difference is that we have here groups there in English and in German. And we don't want to use a channel for both languages because it can be maybe a little bit too complicated. So we have the group for the English speaking persons and in the first step for the German speaking person. And if you want to activate or if you activate it here, I have shown you here, if you activate this, then you see here in KUNOMAIL-Connect the English group and then the German group. And you also can use as an English-speaking person, you can use the German channel. Just let's translate your question. If you see, oh, there are a lot of people in there, but I don't speak German, you just can translate your message in the translator and post it then in maybe in the German channel, or otherwise a German speaking person sees, oh, there are a lot of people on the English side that are speaking English. I translate my German question into English and post it here in the English channel. Yeah. These are all news from KUNOMAIL-Connect. I hope you enjoy, and I hope you try KUNOMAIL-Connect and give us a feedback. And yeah, we are happy to hear from you. So we wish you a nice day. Greetings from Berlin, your KUNOMAIL team. Bye.